Tanushri, what details can you give our viewers about the 35-minute-long meeting between Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and the Hathras victims' family? Tanushri.
Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, just about 5 minutes back, they left after meeting the victim's family. And I have Yogita Bhayana with me, Rahul. She was the person who was inside with the family. And in fact, she has the first person account of the conversation. And the most important thing, Rahul, which is coming out of the entire conversation, which took place between Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and the victim's family, is that Rahul mentioned about India Today's exclusive visuals, Aaj Tak's exclusive visuals. He said, when the family said that, sir, cremation took place without our permission, this is one of the most shameless, something extremely absolutely brazen that the administration could do. Rahul said that, yes, I have seen the first visuals. In fact, Rahul Gandhi tweeted our visuals, which were exclusively taken by India Today and Aaj Tak on the ground. Yogita, I have Yogita with me. Yogita, what more did Rahul speak to the family about?
They were basically asking them like what went wrong and how the whole thing got into the mess in the sense of the case they were particularly talking about. And definitely they were also concerned about how the cremation took place and how they were cordoned off, all these things. And
how they were cordoned off, as in they were
family. I mean,
as in how everybody was restrained and not allowed to meet.
Yes. Okay. So they were showing their concerns and they were checking with them about the loopholes, what went wrong. And asking them what do you think what went wrong and what do you expect. And also he asked, Rahul Gandhi asked them, do you think you will get justice? To the answer, the brother said, we expect that you will help us getting the justice and we want justice. And to what definitely I offered that they need a very strong legal support, and to what so it just built up the conversation.
It was a 35-minute long conversation. Rahul was inside. Rahul and Priyanka were inside for 35 minutes. What all did they speak?
So Priyanka was sitting with the mother, and the other aunts, and Rahul Gandhi was with the father and the uncles. So they were separately. First of all, they were just trying to understand their agony, and they were trying to listen to them, and then they were trying to make suggestions. Okay, and also asked. Do you want CBI inquiry? This was the question asked by Rahul Gandhi.
Okay.
To what?
This is very important. Rahul Gandhi categorically asked Rahul to the family, do you want a CBI inquiry? What did
the answer to this, the father gave was that they don't want CBI. They are thinking, but they believe more in judicial inquiry.
Okay,
so they want to
go. Okay, so they believe the judiciary more than the CBI. Anything else, Yogita, you want to add?
So these are the conversations like how the cremation took place, how they were.
What about the cremation? Because things. Yogita, I was the only person, yes. My camera person. We were the only.
I have also seen your visuals, and I really can't tell you that if you were not there, like we wouldn't have got this expose, and we wouldn't be here, So definitely, we all know your work.
What did Rahul say about it? Did he say that he saw the visuals? Did he tell the family that yes, everything is on India Today's camera?
He said that I saw the first visuals.
Right.
This is
us.
Exactly, yeah. So right. That's exactly. Yeah.
Right.